Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids! Welcome to another exciting adventure in learning and coloring. Today, we're going to discover the letter G, give it a beautiful color, and meet a tall and friendly animal. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Look at this. It's the letter G. It's the seventh letter of the alphabet and looks like a big, curvy C with a little tail. Today, we're going to color our letter G with a pretty pink color. Pink is the color of cotton candy, blooming flowers, and sparkly princesses. Let's get our pink crayons and start coloring. Wow! Our letter G is now a lovely shade of pink. It looks fantastic. Next, let's meet our tall and amazing friend, the giraffe. Giraffes are known for their long necks, tall legs, and beautiful spots. Let's use a fun orange color to color the beautiful spots of our giraffe. Orange is the color of pumpkins and oranges. Ready to color those spots? Color our giraffe with a bright yellow. Yellow is the color of sunshine and happy days. Fantastic! Our giraffe is now covered in bright yellow with orange spots. It looks so colorful and happy. Let's review what we did today. We colored our letter G pink, and our giraffe is yellow with orange spots. The letter G is for giraffe, and our giraffe is ready to stretch its neck and smile. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. We had so much fun learning about the letter G and coloring our giraffe. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.